Hi guys, quick video if you need to replace one of these tire pressure sensors and you don't want to take the car to the tire shop to do it. Jack the car up with a trolley jack or something under the chassis, then put the tire you want to work on under the jacking point of the car. Put a scissor jack on the sidewall. Be careful not to damage your mag or your rim, and then just jack it down. This one I jacked up to the point where it looked like it wanted to start slipping, and then I just lowered the car a bit on the trolley jack, and then it popped the bead loose. So now, very easy. Now you can get to the top of the valve here, unscrew it, and there's your valve, and you've got good access there to get in. Then just take it off, put the new ones on. There are numerous videos how to replace these things. Make sure you have the right ones, they are not all the same. But yeah, now you don't have to go to the tire shop. And then after this, obviously you need a compressor. Just inflate the tire to the correct pressure again. The bead will pop back on. Make sure you only disturb the top, the outside bead, not the inside also, which means the tire cannot move. And if the tire cannot move on the rim, then you don't need to rebalance it again. Everything will still be perfect. Anyway, if everyone got any value out of this, just please like and share. Thank you.